Hey everyone! Want to see something crazy? How about we put a chocolate egg inside our magical microwave? Ready? Let's see! Whoa, check it out! It's full of surprise capsules! Are you ready to open it? Here we go! Whoa! Whoa! Now time to check out everything that's inside. Let's start with color pink. Ooh! It's a Tsum Tsum, and this is Alice. How about color blue? Another Tsum Tsum. It's one of these 7 dwarfs, and I think this is Anger. Next up, how about our color white? It's a pony, and this is DJ Pawn 3. Another white capsule. Whoa! Lots of pieces. Hey, look! It's Spot from the Good Dinosaur movie. There you go! Whoa, Spot! You are up pretty high. I don't know where Arlo is. Hopefully we find him. How about this capsule here? It is color silver and blue. Check it out! It didn't take a long time for us to find Arlo. Here he is! Of course he is color green, and we can even see his teeth.
Aw, it's nice to see you too, Spot.
How about this one? You can already see who's inside. It is Pinkie Pie, our party pony.
Yep, Pinkie loves to party, and that's me.
How about our pink capsule? This is Peppa Pig, and she is holding Teddy. Hello! Here's a different color. It's color yellow. Whoa! This is Mummy Pig, and she is wearing an orange winter outfit.
Mummy!
Hello, Peppa. How about another white capsule? This is Disgust from the movie Inside Out, and this is an eraser. Color blue. This is Rapunzel's pet. I always forget his name. If you guys know his name, this is going to be our question of the day. Leave me a comment in the comment section what his name is. Another clear capsule. And yes, it is Rainbow Dash, one of our ponies again. Color orange. Hey, it's Mickey Mouse. Wow, Mickey Mouse is ready to play basketball.
Oh boy, oh boy! Who wants to play with me?
Yellow. It's Peppa Pig again, but this time she is also wearing her winter outfit. Silver and clear. Another pony. This is Twilight Sparkle. What color is this again? That's right, it's color blue. Lots of pieces. There. We have the Beast from Beauty and the Beast. We have lots more to open. How about color yellow? Awesome! This is Woody. And you know what movie he's from? That's right! He is from the movie The Toy Story.
Well, howdy, cowboy!
White. It's Donald Duck.
Arms.
Yes, Donald, I know you're missing your arms. Whoa, Donald is spiking a volleyball. Color yellow. I think we got Grandma Pig, and she is also dressed for winter. Color orange. It is Pluto, and his long tail at the back. We also have color pink, but over here on the bottom, it's transparent. Hey, it's Daisy Duck. There she is, looking fabulous as usual. Hello, Daisy. Pink? We gotta have Minnie Mouse. And she is wearing her pink outfit. Pink from head to toe. Blue. It's Mickey. One final capsule. Who could it be? Who could it be? It's Pete.
Of course it's me. You gotta save the best for last.
Whoa, check it out, everyone. So many toys. Which one is your favorite? I think my favorite is Mickey Mouse playing basketball. Now what if we take a Mashem Fashem container and fill it up with magical gumballs? Let's put it inside our magical microwave. Are you ready? Here we go. So many Mashem containers in there. Time to open it. Whoa, look at that. Let's start with our red container. Ooh, it's the Incredible Hulk. Whoa. Boink. Ooh. Hulk. Smash. How about our white container? White. It's our Super Pop Chase from Paw Patrol. Boink, 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 boink. Whee! Whoa! Green. It's Leonardo.
Cowabunga, dudes.
Purple. 1, 2, 3. Check it out, it's Sky. Roof, roof. Ooh. Black. In 1, 2, 3. It's Iron Man. Whoa. Let's stretch him. Stretch this way. And squish. Color red. Ready, set, go! It's another Paw Patrol. This time around, we got Marshall. Whoa! Purple. 1, 2, 3. This is Nemo. And Nemo can be squished, stretched, twisted, and stretch some more. Squish, squish, squish. Oh, this is the last one. Blue. 1, 2, 3. It's Queen Elsa. So, did you enjoy this video? If you did, and you want me to make more videos like this, click the thumbs up, okay? And comment in the comment section letting me know which one of the toys that we got is your favorite. It's Essie for Toys Unlimited. See you next time. Mwah! Bye! Do you see those boxes in front of your screen right now? If you want to see more of our videos, just click one of those boxes. Or you can click the circle in the middle to subscribe to our channel. Great job, everyone! Bye!